pressure on this leg is why I'm sort of consciously maybe walking with a bit of a limp, because I simply don't want to put any pressure on this leg.
On the leg.
For the moment, you know.
What are you noticing?
But you know, the pain has subsided on the knee.
To how much? How much has it subsided? Now on the 5th day?
If I really want to walk without a limp, I can do it. But consciously, I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Simply of not putting any extra pressure because of the meniscus tear. I mean...
Wow. You were not doing this before.
No.
Just remember, this
2-3
is...
days ago I wasn't able to do it because the pain was there. Okay. Now while I'm walking, there's no pain. 2-3 days ago, it would have to be, you know, something like this. Yeah?
Yes, yes.
With consciously not putting any pain and weight simply because it would hurt. And then you have this other auto-suggestion going on in your head that don't do any movement there that could send it into another tailspin, you know?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And so now, if we can keep our mind clear, we actually know that the body is capable of, you know, you're walking now, you know?
I mean, if you press here, there's, you know, you can feel a bit of tingling pain.
Yeah. But what percent, how much percent less pain would you say there is now compared to before? I mean,
at least more than half.
Wow.
It has to be, otherwise I won't be able to walk as normally as...
I mean, the way you're getting up off the chair has been, I've mentioned that before, that's so positive now. You can do that unaided. I was having to reach out my hand before, and you know, now you can do it without. You're walking, you're upright.
Yeah.
And you're mentioning, so more than 50% you'd say that pain has subsided.
Has to be, otherwise do you think I would be able to walk like this?
No.
No way.
No. Very positive.
But I'm still consciously not wishing to put any normal, regular walking pattern. So I would still, if I walk a step, it'll be this one and then this one, you know, this one and this one, simply because I don't want to.
Don't aggravate it.
Aggravate it. Let it heal on its own. So the less normal pressure is averted.
Yes.
That's when the healing process will take place.
Step by step.
Even though I can walk normally, this is saying don't.
It's saying no. Oh, step by step. It's the 5th day now, so far so good. And but considering, you know, there's been a tear that's been diagnosed there, you know.
And there's still swelling between the two.
Of course.
When the swelling comes to normalcy, or there's no swelling, which I will do sometime during the weekend, I'll get my wife or my daughter to take a snapshot and then see. But that will still not stop me from letting the healing process take place. And that means the less, the better.
You were considering the PRP.
Yeah.
And at this stage, are you happy that you've opted so far to at least, let's see how far we can go without the introduction of that?
It's a strategy. And since this will take some time, maybe 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, let this be as relaxed as much as possible. We'll see whether the tear needs to be corrected.
Mm-hmm.
We'll look at the cartilage as well at the same time.
Sure.
Cartilage, I'm taking these extra supplements. There is some belief that maybe things can come to normal with alternative rather than invasive.
Sure. Step by step. So positive, so very good.
So that's the game plan, you know.
Sure.